All right, so on Monday, I shared some trade recommendation with you. And in this video, all I just want to discuss is how those trades are doing and where I am currently, what I'm holding. And that's more like it. Okay, it's going to be a very short video. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. The first trade I'm holding is, I'm holding a couple of trades actually. I'm holding silver. I'm holding silver. I took Bitcoin. I took euro dollar, the counter trend on euro dollar, which has disappeared from here. I took Aussie Kiwi, I took Euro Kiwi, and I took gold. Yeah, I took gold, which kind of like tapped me out. All right, and at the end of the video, okay, I'm going to share the results with you as far as I'm concerned. So let's get straight into it. So the first trade I'm holding is silver, as you can see right here. I took this one very early this week. Okay, on Monday. As a matter of fact, I took it on Sunday. Immediately the market opened on Sunday evening, based on my time zone right here in Nigeria. I took this trade right here, and so far so good. It looks pretty decent. Okay, however, it seems to be going down gradually right now. It seems to be pulling back. I want to say pullback. I don't want it to go down. I still believe there is high possibility of seeing gold actually, of seeing silver touching $37.89 region right at the top there. So that would be my ultimate target there. Okay, for now, I don't use take profit, but I'm gonna trade the trade until then. Although as it stands now, my trading stop is active. I don't do without trading stop, but I don't want this one to tap me out like this one did before we make this delicate pump. All right, I don't want to tap me out, but there's nothing I can do right now than just to watch and see how this all plays out. The other trade I'm holding is euro dollar. I told you guys I'm going to take a counter trend on euro dollar, and so far so good. I took it and it's making a bit of sense right now. Okay, a bit of sense because at the very early hour of yesterday, when I took the trade, he force dragged me up. All right, back to break even, and I took it exactly the same time I took gold short as well, which gold ended up going up, breaking above the previous high, and then tapped me out before it started dropping. I'm actually considering joining another gold short right now as I'm speaking. Today is Wednesday, March 26, 2025. Okay, so but let's see how that goes. If I end up joining the trade, I will let you know. Okay, maybe on Thursday when I'm doing a final recap before the end of the week. And then the next trade is Euro Kiwi. Euro Kiwi is another trade I saw very interestingly. Okay, you can see at the top here. This is not part of the trade I shared last week. Although for people that are on my channel and in my mentorship group on WhatsApp, I share this trade with them, and I'm very certain that the majority of them are already in it. Okay, you can see right here we have a bit of what we can consider head and shoulder pattern. Okay, head and shoulder. You can see we have the first shoulder right here, we have the head, and then we have the second shoulder right here. Broke below the neckline, which is around there, and then when it broke it, I actually took the first shot right there, and then the market seems to be dragging a little bit. My stop loss was at the top here, and then when it broke below here, I had onto the trade, and it seems to be doing very well right now. The ultimate target is still below here. However, don't forget this Euro Kiwi trade is a counter trend trade. All right, if you notice, Euro Kiwi is a very solid bullish trend. It's been on a bullish momentum for a very long time. If you go to the daily time frame, which I don't want to touch right now, you will see that Euro Kiwi has been very strong, has been exhibiting very strong bullish momentum. So I don't want to go against that for a long period of time. So I'm just going to take my 50% Fibonacci right here around this zone. And if it ends up coming all the way back to retesting this previously broken structure, I would love to see how that goes. But for now, it seems to be doing very well, and I'm holding it very nicely and pretty tightly. Okay, the current pip is around 85 pips. So I want to see if I can get up to 200 pips on this one, and I'll be fine. So moving on to the next one, which is Aussie Kiwi. So Aussie Kiwi is another fancy trade I took yesterday. This one is actually listed on Edgefinder. It's suggested on Edgefinder because it's a trend trading signal. All right, you can see at the bottom there on Edgefinder, it's reading -7. Bearish. Okay, it's the only trade I pick on my own small account. Okay, a trend trading account. Other ones I took them on technical based trade. Like I said, I am a position. I'm a swing trader, and I trade microeconomics. Sometimes I dazzle into just the technical part of the market alone without considering a big chunk of the fundamentals. Like that euro dollar trade is a pure technical trade. Euro Kiwi trade is a pure technical trade, and I also kind of mix that with fundamentals. And also my gold short is a pure technical trade. Nobody should be selling gold right now, but I am selling it. Why? Because of the technical opportunities that kind of present itself. So that is that on that. So on Bitcoin is another one that was a trend trading trade, okay, or let's say trend position that I took. You can see right here on Edgefinder, you can see Bitcoin is reading a positive 6, which is bullish right here. You can see Bitcoin right here. So this is another reason why I took Bitcoin. And I am certain I'm still winning this one for now. It's still very small. Okay, the profit is still very small, but there is high potential. You can see the momentum where it started from. Okay, you have series of higher highs and break of structure. Okay, you can see the structure keeps getting broken. So I want to see this last high getting destroyed as well before I start trading. All right, I'm using a very tight stop loss right here because I really don't want to hold this one for a long period of time. You know, Bitcoin can just tap or drop. It can just drop down right now with this gigantic candle like this one. So I don't want to hold this for a long period of time. I'm risking roughly $25 to $40 on this one. Okay, and I also share with the guys on my channel, okay, on my Telegram channel, on my Facebook, and on my WhatsApp mentorship group. So that is that. If you're interested, you can always come to my DM and let's have a discussion. The other trade, which is the last one among the one I recommended last week or this week Monday, is good. You can see this is the one that tapped me out at the top here. Okay, this is the one that tapped me out at the top. You can see that candle right there. Okay, it closed me out on minus $50 loss, which is very fair and neat. Okay, I'm also looking forward to take another short at shorting gold right now. But don't forget, this is a pure technical trade. Okay, a pure technical trade. Do not sell gold thinking or guessing that it's going to come all the way down to maybe around 2,700 because you're shorting at the top here. If you do that, you might be putting your account in a lot of pressure. You might jeopardize your account. Yeah, especially if the kind of person that have been building an account for a very long time. You don't want to just sit on this one open, okay, living in your Lululand or your fantasy land. Okay, I'm not saying this is not possible. It is possible, but it's never going to drop like this. Okay, considering what's going on in the world right now, there's still geopolitics war, tension everywhere. Gold, dollar is still not pretty strong. Okay, and the inflation is still pretty steep in the United States. Fed is still planning to cut rate, possibly by June they will start cutting rate. So you need to put all this thing in perspective. And when there is geopolitics, when there is uncertainty, and then I can hear some recession talks in the United States, you know what that is? Another pump on gold. So you don't want to rush into selling gold right now. You want to take it slow and steady. As a matter of fact, if you're shorting gold right now, you might be tapping out some very nice losses. Okay, it's the exact same trade I took right here. I got take out in profit right there, and I missed out on this buy. Okay, because I was still expecting a further drop, a sort of bigger correction before I take a buy on gold, which I'm still waiting for. You can see right here. I will consider buying from this stuff right here anyway. And the better place to take a buy is right here at 29. This is 29.75. So that region right there will be a very good area to start looking for an opportunity for a long time. Or the better place is another this place. A much better place is right below here. But the more the market drops, or the more this entry are, the lesser their potential, okay, or the lesser their possibility. Okay, this one is this region right here, if it has 60% chance of, or if it goes at 60% chance of coming here, this place has 40, and this region has 20, and this region right here has 10. But there's this 10%, all these 40, 60, 10%, they can still be achieved 100%. But will they be achieved? Is there not something that's going to happen? Nobody. Okay, nobody. So all we have to do is just wait and watch how this goes. I'm not in gold yet. Okay, the one I took tapping out and loss. But as time goes on, if I see a candle that close below here, I might join again and see if I can get maybe $150 back from gold today. And if I took that one and it tapped me out and lost, I guess that will be that for this week on gold for me. So let's see how that goes. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow me on my socials. Don't forget, you want to join my mentorship group, you just want to have a conversation with me, you can always come to my DMs, okay, or you can contact me through my email in my bio. So I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day. Don't pressure yourself too much. I love you all. Bye for now.